Welcome to a new video. King COBBY here. Now, virtual DJ by default displays BPM to the next two decimal places, as you can see here. You probably might want to display it to the next one decimal place, especially if you move from Serato to virtual DJ, right? So you might want to have that previous experience, or you want to have that same kind of Serato look. The good news is that you can actually do that. You can actually edit virtual DJ skin to emulate that. So this is what we are going to do in this video. So to do that, you head to settings and then interface. Now from the interface options, you come and click edit skin. What I will advise is that even though virtual DJ creates an edited version of the skin, I still recommend you create a backup of the default skin files. So I'll click on edit skin, and then you will see that I have a backup of the skin and then an edit version. Okay, so this is the original one and this is the edit version. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I am going to create another backup. So I'll just copy and paste, and then this is a copy. Okay, so I'm going to edit this one. Now you will need an XML file editor to do this. You are free to use any, but I use Notepad++. So I'll open this one. Now when you open, you are going to be presented with this whole bunch of codes. There's no need to be scared anyway, because you are only looking for one specific thing. We are looking for what we call BPM Ex. Okay, so to do that, you just open the finder. You can do that by clicking on search and then find, or you can just use Ctrl F on your keyboard to bring it up. It starts with the percentage sign, so we are looking for percentage BPM Ex. So I'll click on, I think there are about, for the pro skin, there are about 4 to 6 instances of this code here. So that's what we are searching for, and then we'll change it. So I found one here. I'll remove the EX, okay, and I'll find the next one, same. I'll change it to just BPM. The next one is also here. I'll remove the EX. Find the next one, EX. Find the next one, EX. This is the next one. Okay, so I think yes, so I can just verify by clicking on find all in current document, and you can see that 0 hit in 0 files of 1 searched. Okay, so we are done like that. So I'll just close it. So it's just changing the BPM Ex, just removing the EX from it, and then I can save it to the same file. Okay, now I'll close it. So imagine you don't create a backup of it first. You can just use the save as option here, okay, to save this one to a new file. No matter how you save it, virtual DJ is going to recognize it. Okay, so we just close it. I'm done. So now I close it, and what I will do is I'll close virtual DJ and then open it again. So now I'll go to settings and then interface, and then I should have, so as I said earlier, you know, virtual DJ creates an edit version of the skin. So you can see that the default is here, which is untouched, and then the default into bracket edits is here, and you can see the copies that I made are here. So you see that this is the backup file, this was the other one here, and then this is the current one that I edited. So I'll just select this one, and then I'll close it. We'll load the same song. I think it was this one. I will load the same song that I loaded earlier, and you can see that the previous one was having what, 96.99, and because I changed the skin, it rounded it up to the next decimal place, hence we have the 97.0. so we can switch in between skin to verify this. So if you go to the previous pro, you see I have 96.99 here, and then if I come to the edited one, it changes back to 97.0. the same song. Alright folks, that's just about it. If this video was helpful to you, kindly give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done that. The name is still King COBBY, and I'll come your way with another video.